What is the status of your patio? Don't sacrifice decor because your space is narrow. Among the different things you can do, place a large statement plant in the corner to give the space some green. Another option is to place a multi-tiered planter and hang other plants from the roof. This adds levels to the patio, which breaks up the visual and gives the illusion that it's larger than it really is. Another smart small patio decor idea is to use folding furniture so you can fold it out of the way when not in use. When you do need it, unfold it and set it up. This approach works well with a modern design theme. Keep everything clean and modern. If you need some more inspirations, we have gathered some ideas for you. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Embrace the narrow space by making smart furniture choices. You could have a bench along the wall with cafe tables and 1 or 2 chairs on the other side. Or you could place a couple of comfy chairs with small tables between them in a line looking out over your property. If you are wondering how to shade a small patio, you can create natural shade by planting large trees with leafy branches. Or you could build a pergola over the space. 2 or 3 patio umbrellas can also provide you with a decent amount of shade. Consider using something that you can adjust with the position of the sun for continual shade throughout the day. If you aren't planning on entertaining, turn your patio into a personal oasis escape. A hammock is a perfect outdoor furniture solution for a narrow patio. Place a rug under it and then grow some lush greenery around it. You could use bamboo to create a decorative wall feature. A small fountain in a corner will create white noise and complete the tropical illusion. Let your small backyard patio overflow with inspiring ideas. Say goodbye to mini furniture and go big with generous seating to fill the space. Instead of tiny, uncomfortable chairs, a large comfy L-shaped sofa or bench will make good use of the floor area and give your guests ample leisure space. Be sure to match oversized furniture with minimal decor and an accent table to keep an open feel. Another patio decor idea is to divide the space. Even if your square footage is relatively small, dividing your outdoor space into 2 areas can actually make it seem bigger. Creating a space within a space makes it seem larger because it gives you a separate experience. A small wood pergola, which you can purchase at home improvement stores or even build yourself without too much effort, could do the trick. You can also use walls to divide the space. Instead of bulky concrete barriers, try using short trellises, arbors, or vine-covered wooden fences to separate your loungers from your patio table. As an added bonus, walls prevent visitors from walking in a straight line from one end of the patio to another, instead creating a winding path that makes your small space feel expansive. Do you like an outdoor fireplace? If you have space, you can invest in a grand fireplace. Such a large heat source will warm up a great area, and with a conductive floor, it can linger for quite a while. Fireplace and stone patio ideas, for instance, pair so well. This is especially true when the fireplace is stone. The flames will warm the surrounding area without a doubt. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.